This is Ben. I'm here for the second video lecture lesson where I got to put together, the breadboard and stuff. And so here you can see my circuit. Go ahead and put the battery on. You can see the clock here on the left. Oops. There we go. All right, you can see the clock on the left side here. It's ticking at a steady rate, pretty slow. We've got logic 0 going through where the push button is connected, and we've got logic 0 over here going through the gate. So with how clocks work, when I push on this push button, since this is a rising edge clock, when the light turns on, that is when the logic will switch from 0 to 1 over here. So it lights off, push it, and it wasn't until the light turned back on that it switched. So it'll be the same thing when I take my finger off the push button. Lights on, take it off, but it isn't until the light turns off and then turns back on again on the rising edge that it switches back over to logic 0. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take out this here, replace it with the 10, and I think I'm putting it in the right place. There we go. So as you can see, the clock is ticking a lot faster now. So same thing happening as before. The only difference though is that it's a lot faster, switching back and forth between logic 0 and logic 1 at the end of the gate over here. The delay, however, is still noticeable. Next, I'm going to be using the crystal adapter, I think it was called. I might be wrong on that, because it's a lot faster, and then that should conclude this lesson. All right, so back again. This time I've got the crystal in there. And so it's now oscillating so fast that you can't even really distinguish through this light that it's even oscillating. Yeah, I'm looking at it closer right now. I can't distinguish anything. The only way you can really tell how fast it's oscillating is how instantaneous, almost instantaneous it is. When I push the button and release it, that it switches back and forth between logic 0 and 1. At the gate down there, and so yeah, really fast, and that should conclude lesson 7.